Welcome to my video 9. I am going to talk about annotation and data validation. We are going to use that in the car class, so in the models car, and couple of things. So we want to limit the length of the title and maybe the length of the uploaded by, that is the mainly the email address, and you see there is a underline, so we'll add the corresponding uh, system component model or data annotation, so that should go away. If you want, you can validate it with uh, to be an email address, but because this we fill it in the program itself in the controller, so we don't have to worry about that. And the contact telephone number, we need to limit that as well, and if you want, you can have a regular expression to validate that. We'll do like that. So okay, and instead of C brand, you can have a display. In the display you can have the word car brand. um, Image length, okay, we are going to limit that. We'll do like that. For similarly, for other things, you can have a range as well. You can see here we can for the year we want to limit it to 1914 to 2030. If you want, you can have a custom validator. You can have a look at this link, and also you can either have maximum length, minimum length, so you can have a single statement say with minimum length, maximum length, and also an error message, so people know what they are doing. And okay, and so that covers that part. We'll go to the car controller, and this is our older copy. We'll open that. We'll make sure so things we have modified is transferred to the new one. So um, okay, before we edit the controller, we need to make sure it is the latest one, because we have added so many uh, additional properties to car model. So we will create a new controller, add controller, and also new views, add. Car model has changed a lot, so we'll change this one. Okay, shared layout is okay, add. So there is already a controller. We'll override that because we have already made a copy of the one we previously done, so it doesn't matter. Okay, now it has created new controller. We'll see how it works. Build, we'll clean solution, build, we'll debug. We also need to limit the authority, so okay, we'll say create new. So okay, we can log out and we'll see. Yeah, okay. um, so even though I am not logged in, I can create a new one. Now you can see all the details are there, the new fields we have added, new properties, so fuel odometer and things like that. And also I have added in date, that is the date it is added to the database. Okay, so it is working. Okay, we need to change each and everything, so we will index is okay, everybody should be allowed, details is okay, create we need to only for the authorized people. And we'll add the corresponding annotation. Okay, and we'll copy that. create, edit, authorize, delete, just rebuild and see. Okay, and now we will see the old car controller, so we'll see what are the changes. So we need to adopt that. Create, okay, so we need to add the logged in user. It helps having the comments line, so it will highlight automatically. So new car controller, in the create, so, and okay, we'll see, and the edit, in the edit, you can see in the edit it has 1 2 3 4 5 in the new one, so it has added all the new fields, new properties. So you can do it manually as well by adding these things, but it is probably because we don't have much in the controller, it is easier to do it this way automatically. Okay, so okay, we need to limit that to editing is to be limited to person who is done it first. So mm, we can just copy the whole thing. Yep, control C. Yeah, okay, it is a new controller, so it will check is view unauthorized, so we don't have the unauthorized view, we need to create that. Okay, so we will copy that unauthorized, control C, unauthorized, and we will create the view. Okay, there is a view already, I think that should be okay. We'll see whether there is a problem. Cancel, because there is nothing in there, that should be okay. Okay, there is another one here. Okay, um, so we will change that name, unauthorized action. So we need to change that manually in this one as well. So views, car views unauthorized, rename. Okay, and so we look at the old controller and what is there. So we have done edit, delete. In the delete we have, yep, okay, same thing, we can copy this part, control C, delete. So it is the delete confirmed, so we will go to the delete confirmed, and okay, what did we copy? Paste. So if it is the user, it will allow to delete, otherwise it will return unauthorized. So it is not unauthorized action. We'll see how it works. Create. Okay, so it doesn't allow me to create, that's okay, but it is only okay. We'll log in and see whether it will transfer the okay. Well, Ford title, date 30th November, just to verify. Okay, we don't want to put that. We'll see what happens. Yep. Okay, and we'll see create. So there may be a issue. Okay, here the value is invalid. Okay, we have to put 1999 odometer. We'll see engine size. Okay, so we'll see it has created that. Yeah, okay, it has the date. Yep, auto. Okay, it has not filled this field. Yeah, okay, we need to have a look at that. Yeah. So in create, okay, so there is, we forgot to copy that. Create. So we change that in the create. I remember copying that as well, but maybe not. No, can't find it. Okay, we'll log out and see cars for sale. We'll see whether we can delete that because we don't want that yet. Delete. Okay, it is asking to log in. It might not allow to log in. Yeah, okay, we'll see. Delete because the logged in user is different. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Um, we'll we'll create a new one and maybe we'll delete the other one later. Yeah, okay, so create new. Now I am logged in. Brand Mitsubishi, model Magna, title. Okay, um, date 30th November, time 9:57. Okay, so that should automatically come. Contact with number. Okay, there is description. Um, select the date. Yeah, okay. Create. Yep. Okay, so it has created that. Yeah. So it has come with the correct username. That's okay. Um, so We will do that like that and verify each and everything we transferred is working okay. Okay, now we see this is the new index file. So earlier we had the nice index file with the title directly with the link to the detail page. So we want to reinstate that. So we will basically copy that file because index, so it must be this one, and we will we don't need this one. We will exactly delete that and we will rename this one to index. See how it looks. Okay, so it has mainly the model details and the brand details, and it should take you to the okay. So the detail page, and the detail page now has the color and all the other things as well. Okay. Um, and okay, what else is there? So that's all. Yep. Yeah. Okay, it is. And the next thing we want to do is we will edit the create and delete, create and edit files. So in this one we need to be able to select the um, car brand. Yeah, okay, so we will see. Okay, and to do that we will select from the enumerator. So it will be ASP4 estate, and we will cut and paste. Yeah, okay. So changes we have done is yes, ASP and the ASP items we have we are getting it from the enumerator list. We have created model state, and it will give you the option to select from that one. Okay, we will say select state. Now we will disable that part and we'll see how it goes. So create new, test car 30 November, that is 2:30 p.m. We don't need to fill that part, we'll upload that one. Okay, contact phone number. Okay, now we should be able to select the state. Yep. Okay, yes, okay, now you can select the state. Yeah, okay, these are all to be filled, and here we need to fill. Okay, that's not going to work. 2000, and odometer. It looks like we need something. We'll select the date. and click create. What is missing? Okay, engine size. Yeah, okay, create. Okay, we'll see what is the. So we'll go into the detail page because yeah, okay, it says the state is Victoria. Yep. Okay, and we will do the same thing for the other parameters and as well. So other thing I want to make sure is in the car model. I want to we want to make changes so that these annotations. Okay, maximum length. Okay, I have not done that one, and also we can have yep, and the annotations working correctly because uh, I have commented out some of them. Yeah, okay, so we can okay, car brand and also the state we have to say display name state. Yeah, okay, debug. We'll see whether it works. This is the one we have just done. So okay, it shows it as a state. Previously it was saying here. Okay, I will do the other things without wasting your time. So it is the same thing in the create. I will get all the enumerated from the selected list, and same thing in the edit. With the magic of YouTube recording, so I have updated all the brand and then all the enumerator ones. So state and what else? So here we can't do yes the gear, that means whether it is auto or manual, and the fuel, whether it is petrol, diesel or electric, and whether the car is new or used. So I have done all that. One thing is now, because here the brand is text, we want to disregard this one and use the new uh, enumerated list so people can select that one. So if you look at the list, so it is coming to here, so we will change that. So uh, the new car brand will come to here. So and that's all. And the other thing is, so we want to limit stop somebody putting these things with empty model. Brand doesn't matter because it is going somewhere else, so we will say required. So we will put that annotation, so we'll copy that. What is um, title is required, and probably we need just uploaded by is automatically coming. Contact telephone number, it is up to him or her. Car brand, yes it is. Maybe we need to put required. Let's see what happens here. Required state, yes, you can put it if you want later. And description, maybe we need to put it required. And here, okay, and yep, we will put required. And gears, yes, will put required. New or used, we'll see if required, but yeah, okay, so that's okay. There are other things, maybe we can decide that later, but okay. um we'll debug and see. We'll add a new car and see how it looks. Yep, okay. Data is nil because that is coming up. We have added required to so many values, so one of those values, the data is nil, so we need to address that here. Okay, one thing is we can delete the whole database. We'll use SQL Server Management Studio, or else we can see where the nil data is, so we'll update those things only. Okay, SSMS takes a while to load there. Okay, it is coming. So database, this is our database tables. We want to look at DB car, edit top 200 rows. Maybe we don't need that many. Okay, let me see. So um, contact number, we didn't say we need. Description, yes, we said we need. Yeah, okay, we just copy that and see. And yep, that looks like the only thing. An image link and contact telephone number, we didn't say we need it. Yeah, okay, we'll see how it goes. Yep, okay, so it is coming up, no problem. Yeah, okay. um, and we'll create a new one. That is the idea. Yeah, okay, so brand, we are not going to specify this time, but model, as we said. Yeah, okay, we need to specify. We have to say what is that title. Okay, uploaded by, we need to disable that field because we don't want to use it. Your contact and phone number, yeah, okay, not necessary. Okay, I will put just an empty number. Car brand, will say select Toyota. State, will say Northern Territory. Image link and description, we need to put something just here. We need to select 2020. Say auto, petrol, odometer reading 50. New or use, select new. Engine size 1000. Okay, just say 1500. I don't think they have any 1500. They okay. Color white and the date we can select yesterday. Okay, so it has come, and not this one because we didn't put any value. We see, yep, okay. And the detail page, yes, okay. We need to update that. Okay. um Camry, and okay, we need to replace, instead of this one we need to bring the new one called deep. Okay, we'll bring that instead. Okay, it is in the index file. Mhm. Instead of that, item dot c brand here. Okay, we'll see what happens. Yep, okay. Everything comes up messed up because, yeah, okay. We'll see. Yep, edit. Not this brand. We have to change the brand in here. Core brand. Yeah, okay. Why it is not coming up? Ah, okay, because we didn't change the edit file. Okay, that's okay. And um, as long as you understand what I am doing, that's okay. So just as we have modified the create file with this enumerated selected list, we need to do it to the edit file as well, and also we need to um, change the detail file so that it displays the full detail. Okay, and okay, so I have mainly change to the edit file, so it is actually almost identical copy of the create. So in the edit file also I have brought, instead of the brand, I have replaced it with C brand. So we are not going to use the word brand anymore, so it will be C brand or car brand. And most of the other things are, it is exactly identical, so I copied and pasted from the create file, which is here. And we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so maybe we will there is no Lancer in Mazda, it is in Mitsubishi, so we will edit this. Last time we couldn't edit. Go to edit file, and instead of that we will select, okay, there is no Mitsubishi. So if you want to change it, so what we need to do is we will change the enumerators. So we need to add Mitsubishi. Debug, start debugging. Same thing with all the other enumerated values, so we just added only black and white for the colors. You can add other colors, so we will change this one Mitsubishi Magna to, okay, go down here, we will change edit. So instead of Mazda we will select Mitsubishi. You can see now it is there. Lancer, okay, maybe we will change the name as well. So Mitsubishi it is Lancer. And yep, okay, save. It might bring up an error message because some of the, okay, the year must be 1989. What is there? Yep, okay, save. Okay, it is saying you are not authorized to do this section. Why is that? Let me see. um, because it is done by ABCD, so we will log out, log in as ABCD and see what happens. Remember me. Yep, okay, now we will edit, change it to Mitsubishi, change it to, okay, Lancer. And we need to change the year 1999. That's all. We'll say save. Yep, okay, it is done. So because now I am logged as ABCD, so I can now edit that. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and in that one we will add an image. We want to make it bit more appealing, so we want to make an put an image here and also a smaller image in the or index page. And also we want to sort of reorganize these ones with the bootstrap view. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.